Okay, good morning, soldiers. My name is Sergeant Aviles, and today we will be learning and practicing the proper procedures on performing voice communications in accordance to STP 21-1-SMCT. Task number 113 Charlie Oscar Mike 1022. Before we can begin, we will conduct a safety brief. As you can see, we will be conducting the class indoors. In the event of fire, we will use these two designated exits to our left and right. We will gather and regroup outside in the parking lot. In the event of a tornado, we will head outside and go to the nearest tornado shelter. There are cables on the floor, so be careful where you step. We want to avoid injuries. There are animals. Do not touch the animals. We have cactus. Do not touch the cactus. We want to avoid injuries, as I once said. We're working with radio equipment. If you see any cables or broken equipment, let me know so we don't have anybody shocking themselves. Okay, now that we have that out of the way, the overall risk assessment is low. So we will do a quick PCC check in class. This is all we need. You're gonna need a water source, you will need a pen, and you will also need a paper. I will provide you with your radios, and I will provide you with your 5x8 index cards. Okay, so let's start with the demonstration. So in our scenario, you're the last vehicle in the convoy. Your vehicle breaks down on the side of the road. How would you effectively communicate with the other TCs in the convoy? The conditions. Given an operational radio net for each net member, set to the net frequency call and a call sign card 5x8 consistent of the net member's duty position, S1 and S2, net call sign letter, number, letter, suffix, list, net control station, for the 46 X1 S1 39 S2 13 in a message to be transmitted. Situation: the net is considered to be secure. Authentication is not required. A CP131. Note: this task has many net members as there is equipment available for each net member. Everybody must have different suffixes. Everybody must have a different suffix and message to transmit. Our standards are performing voice communications by entering and leaving the net in alphanumeric sequence. And they use the correct pro words, phonetic alphabet, and numerals that result in the successful completion of the message. After the completion of my lesson, you will be evaluated individually. To pass, you will have to get a go in the 3 performance categories. In order to enter the net, send a message, and exit the net in alphanumerical order. You will need to know how to properly communicate through radio communications. I'm going to demonstrate the task, and then we will go through it step by step. You will then be given time to practice. When we begin the evaluation, while you are practicing the task, if you have questions, I will be there. So please ask. Okay, so we're going to start the demonstration now. For the purposes of this, you guys have the radios. I don't, so I will be using this as a radio. Okay. Echo 46, this is Echo 39, over. Echo 39, this is Echo 46, Roger, over. Echo 46, this is Echo 39, routine time 0800, Zulu, Mike 20, break. Echo 46, I have a time-sensitive transmission for Echo 13, over. Echo 39, go ahead, over. Echo 13, this is Echo 39. We are currently in TAN break, Lima, Mike, Tango, Victor. Break in location 455, break 6611. Break. Requesting recovery, how Lima copy. How copy, over. Sorry. I go 39, you are requesting recovery at location break 455, break 6611, break for a Tan, Lima, Mike, Tango, Victor, good copy, over, Roger, Echo 1-3, Echo 3-9, out. Okay, so that was my demonstration. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and break that demonstration in steps. Okay, so the first thing we did, we entered the net. We determined the abbreviation, cosine answering sequence for our duty position. We responded to the NCS issuing the net card. Then we answered an alphanumeric sequence. At this time, the NCS acknowledged, and then the net was open. Step 2, sending a message. Listen to make sure that the net is clear. Do not interrupt any ongoing communications. Call the NCS and tell the operators the priority of the message you have. For his or her receive a response from the NCS, tell the operator and the priority of the message. You have for his or her station to receive a response from the NCS that he is. Send a message using the correct pro words and pronunciation of letters and numbers, then get a receipt of the message. The step 3, leave the net in alphanumeric sequence. Now the NCS acknowledges that the net is closed. The following call signs are used in this task. As an example, Echo 3, Echo NCS, Echo 46, S1, Echo 39, S2, Echo 13. You will receive a call from the NCS to issue a close down order. Okay, so we will start practicing what I just said. So you will practice this task to standard. If you make any mistakes, I will come over to correct your deficiencies. Okay, you may start. So, everybody done? Perfect. Okay, now that we have practiced that task, I'm going to restate the task conditions and standard conditions given to one operational radio set for each net radio user, each net member, and set the net frequency, call sign information, with the card. 5x8 with a 5x8 card consisting of a net member duty position S1 and S2. S1 and S2 net call sign letter, number, letter, suffix, list, net control station in NCS 46 S1 dash 39 S2 dash 13. Send a message to transmit a situation. The net is considered to be secured. Authentication is not required. SCP-131. No, this task has many net members, as there is equipment available for each net member. So each net member must have a different suffix. Send a message to transmit standards, perform voicemail. Okay. Leaving the net alphanumeric sequence, use the correct pro words for like alphabet, for the phonetic alphabet, and new, that's for completion of the message. Now that we are going to do an overview of the performance measure, use them in the evaluation. We will grade 3 measures. Enter the net alphanumeric sequence, that is number 1. Number 2, sending message of 15 to 25 words using the correct pro and phonetic alphabet and numerals left in the net in the alphanumeric sequence. As the brief follows you, you were the last vehicle in the convoy, driving a green Camel Humvee, and suddenly you're broken down on the side of the road on location 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 8, 7, 6. You're going to contact your maintenance company and request a pickup. Okay, at this time, we'll conduct the evaluations. So, using the radios I've just given you and the 5x8s, you will check which ones what do you want as your call sign, and you may begin your test. Okay, everybody done, right? Perfect. Okay, this time you will be evaluated, and now you completed evaluations. I will address no-goes and review your deficiencies. PFC Bermudas, you kept saying repeat, repeat, repeat over the radio. That is definitely a no-go. Specialist Reyes, you did not enter the net properly. You stated Echo 46. I need assistance at 677-9876. During the reassessment, you will need to first enter the net determined abbreviation call sign and answer the sequence for your duty position, and then respond to the NCS issuing a net call, and finally answer an alphanumeric sequence. Those who did receive a go will be those who did not receive a go will be reevaluated tomorrow at 1500. Same uniform in the same classroom. Those who received a go need to sign this paper right here, so I can have you guys as a go and put that in the system. Okay, so we will be performing the AAR. We will perform this AAR. Everybody has a right to speak. Everybody can speak their minds. I hope everybody has something good to say about this. If you don't, be respectful of different viewpoints. Okay, so what was supposed to happen? Okay, that did happen, perfect. Okay, what actually happened? Correct. What went right? Perfect. What went wrong? Okay, perfect. Okay, so how can we improve next time's training? No changes? Or were there any injuries or damage to the equipment? No. Okay. Okay. Were the control measures implemented effectively? Yep. Okay. Perfect. So, I want you guys to police everything that you have, trash and everything. You will put everything that you brought into the correct safety bins and correct trash bins. Remember, we are a green army. You will recycle. Give me 1 second while I get my documents in order, and I'll give further guidance. Okay, I got everybody's signature. That is perfect. Okay, so last thing. Now that the class has ended, everybody cleaned up your trash, right? Perfect. For those who did not pass, remember the class you will have retraining here tomorrow at 1500. Same uniform, same classroom. So that is all. You guys are free to go. You guys enjoy the rest of your day.